We want to give you guys a unique experience of walking through La Rinconada. Ah, hey, hey!
Okay, good afternoon, mister.
Hey!
Mister.
¿Cómo estás?
Oh,
¿Tu recuida?
How are you? How
Sí,
are
sí.
you? Yes, you?
Yeah.
Okay. Arriba.
Arriba.
Okay, okay.
Para...
¿Ah?
Vamos.
Oh, Rinconada. Oh, yes.
Vamos, yeah, sí.
Oye, vamos.
Sí.
Vamos.
Mucho gusto.
Okay, ocurre ya. Cuídese mucho. Chao.
What did he give me? Oh. You can kind of see the terrain here. Oh, if you hear like a gong, it's a stupid water bottle I bought. Holds 64 ounces. It's killing my shoulders. I'm gonna bring the camera up so you can kind of see this area. Oh, there's a dog. This last like third was pretty easy because it was downhill, which means this first third is going to kill us or make men of us. What do you think about this walk?
I think it's going to be a lot tougher going back.
Buenas tardes. By the way, everything you see is wet and sludgy. Cansado. Please don't judge me my Spanish. I'm letting you in on this, so don't judge me. I'm choosing a different route than Pastor. Let's see how it's going. We brought these. And we've used them a few times on the trek because it's just so hard to recover. It makes somewhat of a difference.
At least it's pressure in the lungs.
It's gone. It's not going in my mouth now. Buenas tardes. Ciao. It smells like fried chicken. It's the last thing you must smell when you have no breath. Sorry. Pastor! I gotta rest for a minute. You can go ahead if you want to.
No, I'll wait.
So it is. there's just bits of beauty along the journey, like these things. It really does just like make you happy before you get to the next sledge. Speaking of sledge, when I heard this on the way here, I thought it was an avalanche. I'm gonna let Elijah hold the camera for a little bit so I don't keep making these ugly faces.
What's that?
You hold the camera like that for a little bit so I'm not making these ugly faces as long.
Mina también.
That's a mine right there. Because of the work that they were
Smells like
doing,
natural gas.
we haven't been able to go into these mines. But